User, tap settings, tap privacy and security, left thin and online. My contacts who can see my listing. Unless you are a premium user, you won't see listing or online status for people with whom you don't share yours. Approximate times will be shown instead recently within a week, within a month. We can accept never share with that users. You can add user or entire groups as exceptions that will override the setting above. It means hide read time. Hide the time when you read messages from people who can see your last thing. If you turn this on, the read time will also be hidden from you unless you are a premium user. This setting does not affect group chats. Let's check. Please like and subscribe.